Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss about cell cycle and its phases. We will also study that why cell division occur in a cell. What is the purpose of cell division? So, what is cell cycle? Cell cycle is a sequence of changes which occur in a cell from beginning to the end of the cell division. So, one question arises here that what is the purpose of cell division? There are different purposes of the cell division. For example, cell division occur in a cell for the purpose of growth. Number one, cell division occur in a cell for the purpose of growth. Number two, cell division occur in a cell during repairing. Okay, repairing. For example, during accident or any injury or some part of the body gets damaged, so our cell die. So these worn out cells are replaced by new ones by cell division. Therefore, cell division play a role in the repairing of the old cells by new ones. Okay, now number three, cell division also occur for the production of our germ cells, our sex cells, mean gametes. Our body sex cells, mean gametes, are also produced by cell division. In case of male gametes are sperm cells, and in case of female, gametes are egg cells. Okay, so these are the three purposes for the occurring of cell division. Okay, now we will study its two phases, that is interphase and mitotic phase. Now we will study its two phases, which are interphase and mitotic phase. Okay, two phases, interphase and mitotic phase. These phases are further divided into subphases. For example, interphase is divided into three phases, mean G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. And what is interphase? Interphase is that phase of cell cycle during which cell is not dividing apparently, mean cell is not divided from one to two daughter cells. But inside the cell there are many changes occur. For example, during interphase DNA is synthesized, some protein and enzymes are also synthesized during interphase. Okay, so interphase is further divided into three phases, which is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. So during G1 phase, some enzymes are synthesized here. Okay, enzyme synthesis. Enzyme synthesis. And also DNA base units are accumulated for the synthesis of DNA. Okay, DNA base units accumulated. Okay, in G1 phase, mean gap 1 phase, enzyme synthesis occur here and DNA base units are accumulated for the synthesis of DNA. Okay, and during S phase means synthesis phase. Here DNA is synthesized and chromosome number is double. Okay, DNA synthesis occur. Okay, during S phase DNA synthesis occur and chromosome number is double. Chromosomes number is doubled. Okay, during S phase DNA synthesis occur and chromosome number is double. Okay, and during G2 phase energy stored in the cell, because this is the last phase of interphase before the mitotic phase of cell cycle. Okay, so that's why in this phase energy is stored to enter into the mitotic phase. Okay, energy storage. And RNA plus microtubules subunit synthesize. Okay, during G2 phase energy storage occur and RNA and microtubule subunits are synthesized, and also some proteins also synthesized in G2 phase. Okay, and energy storage occur because for the movement of chromosome during mitotic phase. Okay, because this is the last phase of interphase before the cell moves next to the mitotic phase. Okay, now what is mitotic phase? Mitotic phase is further divided into two phases, which are mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis. Okay, mitotic phase is further divided into mitosis and meiosis. So we will study mitosis and meiosis in my next lecture in detail. Okay. So now we have a quick review of today's lecture, that what is cell cycle. Cell cycle is a sequence of changes which involve period of growth and replication of DNA followed by cell division in a cell. Okay, then we study that what is the purpose of cell division. What is the purpose of cell division? There are three reasons. Number one, for the purpose of growth. Number two, for the purpose of repairing. Number three, for the purpose of gametes production. Okay, then we move next. We will study its two phases, which are interphase and mitotic phase. Interphase further comprises three phases. G1 phase. During G1 phase, enzyme synthesis and DNA base units are accumulated. Okay, during S phase means synthesis phase, DNA synthesis occur. Okay, and during G2 phase energy storage and RNA and microtubule subunits are synthesized. Okay, and what is mitotic phase? Mitotic phase, during this phase a cell divides into two daughter cells. Okay, and further this phase comprises mitosis and meiosis. Okay, so hopefully today you understand my lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.